Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my very first time cooking fried vermicille noodle. Please look at to the end. Thank you. I put the vermicille noodles in the water for 3 minutes. And then I will cut the vegetables such as cauliflowers, cabbage, small corn, beans, and a carrot. Scramble the egg to fry in the plate. And then I'll fry the chicken with the little oil. And then put the long beans because the long bean had to get soft. After that, I put the cauliflowers and then carrot and the small corns. And the fry. And then cabbage. And the stir fry. I put some oyster sauce, soy sauce, and the shield kosher for the taste, but it's not included in the videos. And then, last but not least, vermicille noodles and the fry. And then finally, vermicille noodles and the eat. Really delicious. I could succeed my first time for vermicille noodles. It's really delicious. Thank you for watching.